To make specific contacts ring on silent on Android, start by opening the Contacts app on your device. This app is usually found on the home screen or in the app drawer. Once you have opened the Contacts app, select the contact you want to make ring on silent. You can do this by scrolling through your contact list or by using the search function at the top of the screen. Once you have found the contact, tap on their name to open their contact card. In the contact card, you will see an option that says ringtone or default ringtone. Tap on this option to change the ringtone for this specific contact. You will be taken to a new screen where you can select a ringtone for this contact. At the top of this screen, you will see an option that says Use default ringtone. Below this, you will see a list of all the available ringtones on your device. To make this contact ring on silent, you need to enable the Do Not Disturb exception. To do this, go to your device's Settings app. In the Settings app, scroll down and select Sound or Sound and Vibration. In this menu, you will see an option that says Do Not Disturb or Do Not Disturb mode. Tap on this option to access the Do Not Disturb settings. In the Do Not Disturb settings, you will see an option that says Allow Exceptions. Tap on this option to select the types of exceptions you want to allow. One of the options will be contacts or starred contacts. Select this option to allow your starred contacts to ring even when your device is on silent mode. To star a contact, go back to the Contacts app and open the contact card of the person you want to star. In the contact card, you will see a star icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on this star icon to star the contact. Once you have starred the contact, they will be able to ring your device even when it is on silent mode. By following these steps, you can make specific contacts ring on silent on Android. This feature is useful for allowing important contacts to reach you even when your device is on silent mode.